cocktail maker? This is a glass that constantly stirs your drinks for you and tells you what to put in them. It is a fun novelty, but it is not very practical. The cocktail maker is a glass equipped with an automated stirring function and an accompanying app that guides users on preparing cocktails. While it offers an entertaining way to mix drinks and provides instructions for creating various cocktails, its practicality might be limited for some users. The gadget's reliance on Bluetooth connectivity and the app's guidance might lead to potential usability issues, making it more of a novelty or gimmicky item rather than a practical everyday tool for cocktail enthusiasts. Banana peeler and stuffer. This is a gadget that peels and stuffs bananas for you. It is a fun novelty. The banana peeler and stuffer gadgets serve a quirky purpose by peeling and stuffing bananas, resulting in a playful novelty. However, its practical utility might be limited as it offers more of a fun or entertaining function rather than solving a significant problem or enhancing everyday tasks. While it delivers a humorous experience, its overall practicality might not justify its use in day-to-day routines. Flat soda reviver. This is a pump that is supposed to put the fizz back into flat soda. It does not work very well. The flat soda reviver is a device designed to preserve the fizz in opened soda cans by creating a seal to prevent carbonation loss. However, contrary to expectations, it doesn't function as a soda revitalizer to restore the lost fizz. Instead, its primary purpose is to maintain the remaining carbonation by removing the air inside the can, attempting to slow down the process of the drink going flat. Unfortunately, it doesn't effectively revitalize the soda to its original fizzy state. Jar opener robot. This is a robot that opens jars for you. It works well, but it is a bit expensive. The jar opener robot functions effectively in opening stubborn jars, showcasing efficient performance. However, it might be considered somewhat pricey for the specific task it accomplishes. Despite its success in the primary purpose of jar opening, its cost might seem a bit high when considering its singular function. Exercise bike laptop table. This product is made of acrylic and sticks onto your exercise bike. It allows you to use your laptop while exercising, but it is wobbly and not very comfortable. The exercise bike laptop table is designed as an acrylic attachment for exercise bikes, enabling users to use their laptops while working out. Its primary function is to facilitate multitasking by providing a platform for a laptop or other devices during exercise sessions. However, user experiences suggest that the product has some drawbacks. It's reported as wobbly, lacking stability, and not ergonomically comfortable for extended use. Despite its functionality, the table seems to fall short in delivering a sturdy and comfortable experience for exercising while working on a laptop. Phone screen cleaner. This is a bin for your smartphone that uses a special fluid to clean your phone screen. It does a good job of cleaning the screen, but the phone screen cleaner is a product designed to keep smartphone screens clean using a special fluid. It involves a bin-like structure meant to house the smartphone for cleaning purposes. Users have found that the cleaner effectively removes dirt and smudges from phone screens, providing a satisfactory cleaning experience. However, one notable downside reported by users is that the process can get messy, potentially causing some inconvenience during the cleaning process. Despite its effectiveness in cleaning, the potential messiness might be a factor to consider for users interested in this product. Vegetable slicer. This is a slicer that you put vegetables inside of and then bring the blade down to slice them. It works well, but it is not very versatile. The vegetable slicer operates by placing vegetables within it and pressing the blade down for slicing. While it effectively slices vegetables, its functionality is limited by the need for vegetables that perfectly fit the inner chamber. The slicing outcome might not consistently deliver uniform cuts due to varying vegetable sizes. Consequently, its versatility is constrained, as achieving consistent results relies on finding vegetables that precisely match its slicing dimensions. Bubble bath mat. It is fun and relaxing, but it is very loud. The bubble bath mat enhances your bath experience by creating bubbles, contributing to relaxation. However, despite its enjoyable feature, it produces a significant amount of noise, which might hinder its overall relaxing effect. The bubble bath mat covers the entire bath area, providing a pleasant spa-like experience. Unfortunately, the noise it generates can be quite intrusive, detracting from the relaxation you might expect. Despite the fun bubbles, the loud sound might disrupt the calming atmosphere you'd want while using it. Onion chopper. This is a chopper that chops onions for you. It works well, but it is a bit messy. The onion chopper simplifies onion slicing, offering efficiency in the kitchen. Despite its effective chopping mechanism, it tends to generate a fair amount of mess, requiring additional cleanup post-use. Overall, its ability to swiftly and neatly slice onions is balanced by the cleanup effort it demands afterward.